हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग एकेडमी। आज हम बात करेंगे एक बेसिक बट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक दैट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आरसीसी एंड पीसीसी. Friends, we know that the use of concrete is essential in the modern construction. So there are the two types of a concrete, that is reinforced cement concrete and the plain cement concrete. While both serve the important purpose, they differ in the composition, strength and their usage. So understanding the difference between the RCC and the PCC is crucial for the engineers, contractors and the even homeowners involved in the building projects. So the first thing, what is RCC? RCC is a combination of a concrete and the steel reinforcement, and we know that the concrete is strong in the compression but weak in tension. So to improve its tensile strength, steel bars are added to concrete mix, and this makes the RCC suitable for load bearing structures such as the beams, columns, slabs and the footing. And the composition of a RCC are cement, sand, coarse aggregate, water and the steel reinforcement. It may be a mild steel or the TMT bar. TMT means thermomechanically treated bar. PCC. PCC is nothing but the concrete without any steel reinforcement. That is, we can say plain cement concrete. It is mainly used as a base layer below the structural element or flooring to provide a level and stable surface. Since it does not resist the tension well, it is not used where the loads or the bending moments are the higher. And the compositions of a PCC are cement, sand, coarse aggregate and water. There are the many points considering that we can differentiate between the RCC and the PCC. So we'll take one by one all in detail, like reinforcement. As the name itself indicates, RCC means reinforced cement concrete. It actually contains the reinforcement bar, that is steel bars. And the PCC, again name itself indicate the plain cement concrete, so there is a no reinforcement. Now considering the another point, that is the strength. So the RCC contains the steel, so it is strong in tension as well as in compression, but PCC is strong only in the compression. Then regarding the usage, RCC used for beams, slabs, columns and the footings like structural members, and the PCC is used for the base layers, floorings, leveling surfaces, etc. Then regarding the cost, RCC is more expensive due to the use of steel in it, and PCC is cheaper as compared to RCC. Then considering the durability, RCC is highly durable under all loads, but the PCC is durable only under the compression. Now the next point is the construction time. RCC slightly took longer time due to the steel placement, but PCC is faster to lay and the set as compared to the RCC. Then considering the flexibility, RCC can take a bending, shear and the tensile loads, but PCC cannot resist tensile or bending loads. Then next point is load bearing. RCC is suitable for the structural components and PCC is not suitable for the load bearing components. Then the next point is a workability. RCC needs skilled labor and the proper vibration, but PCC can be placed and the compact easily. Then the next point is a common grade used, and in RCC we can use M20, M25, M30 and above, as we are using it for the structural members or structural components. But in the PCC we can use the concrete like M5, M7.5, M10 and the M15, as we are using it for flooring, level surface and the like that. So this is the basic difference in between the RCC, that is reinforced cement concrete, and PCC, that is plain cement concrete. Now the next point, applications of RCC in construction. RCC plays an important role in the Indian construction sector due to its strength and the flexibility, and the common uses of RCC are: it is used for the multi-story buildings, bridges, flyovers, water tanks, retaining walls, foundations, etc. Skilled engineers design RCC using structural analysis based on loads, support conditions and type of structures. The reinforcement is a design using Indian standard like IS 456-2000 and IS 13920-2016 for seismic design. Now the next point is applications of PCC in construction. Though the PCC is not used for load bearing structure, it is important for the stability and the durability. It is commonly used for base layer of RCC footings, pavements, flooring, leveling coarse ground, drains and the canals, etc. So the PCC helps in the preventing direct contact of RCC with the soil and moisture, and it acts as a cushion layer and avoids erosion of reinforcement in the RCC by keeping it away from the groundwater. Now the next point is advantages of RCC. RCC is having the high strength and can withstand heavy loads. RCC is having the long life, and because of that it is suitable for the permanent structures. It is a fire resistance, and that's why it performs well under fire. And the design flexibility, it can be molded into the various shapes and the sizes. That's why the RCC is used in the many structure having the different shapes and the sizes. Disadvantages of RCC. RCC is a costly. RCC is a time consuming because it needs time for the curing and the setting. The next point is a corrosion. Steel may corrode if not protected well. Then there are the advantages of PCC, like PCC is a low in cost, so it provides the economical option for base layers. Simple process. PCC is easy to lay and requires the less supervision. It is a fast in application because the setting and the curing of the PCC is faster as compared to the RCC. So there are some disadvantages of PCC, like it is not suitable for tension. Then limited applications, mainly for the non-structural used. PCC is provided only in the non-structural members, and it's having the limited usage. Then the point come in the mind, which is a better, PCC or the RCC? And the answer depends on the purpose. RCC is a better for the structural components that must bear load, resist bending and handle tension. But the PCC is a better for non-structural uses such as a flooring, base bedding and leveling, where only the compressive strength is needed and not tensile strength. So the RCC is stronger and the more versatile, while PCC is economical and used for the simpler works. One is not better than the other in all the aspects. They serve the different roles. Now the next point is, what is the difference between the PCC and the RCC poles? RCC poles made with the concrete and the steel reinforcement. It is used in places where the high strength and load resistance is needed, like electric transmission lines. And RCC poles are more durable, resistant to cracking and weather. And now for PCC poles, it is made up with the plain cement concrete. There is no steel in it. It is suitable for the lighter applications or where cost is in concern. And PCC poles are less strong and more prone to the cracking or damage over the time. So in India, RCC poles are the most preferred for the power distribution due to their higher load carrying capacity. Both RCC and the PCC have their unique roles in the construction. RCC is essential for the strength and the load bearing capacity, while PCC provides a strong base and the protective layer. Knowing the differences between the RCC and the PCC helps in choosing the right type of a concrete for your construction needs. Following proper standards and using the right materials ensures the safety, stability, durability and the cost effectiveness in any project. So these are the basic differences in between the RCC and the PCC. Thank you so much for watching video till end. If you like the content of the video, please like it, share and subscribe the channel.